guys, welcome back to another video on our channel. So today you're only getting myself. My mom has been sick for a couple days, so she does not want to be in any of the videos. She'll be back later, but not right now. So for today, I'm going to show you guys how to make some guacamole, just because a big game day is coming along and you always eat guacamole and chips. So I'm going to show you guys how we make our guacamole. Ingredients for our yummy guacamole are going to be obviously avocado. So we have 3 small avocados here, since we're just going to make a little bit. We also have chopped onion, chopped jalapenos, chopped tomato. We have chopped cilantro. Then we are going to be using a little bit of cumin, salt, black pepper, and lime. So with that being said, let's get started. Putting some of the avocados in the bowl. So all you're going to do is you're going to get your avocado, which is with a knife. Just do lines like this. And then just do it the other way so you can get some little squares. Once you have done that with the spoon, you're going to go ahead and scoop it out. And then you can go ahead and put that in your bowl. And then we're just going to do it with the last one. Once you have all your avocados in your bowl, just go ahead and get a fork and just go ahead and smash it just a little bit. You can also use like your potato smasher, your bean smasher. But I don't want it that smashed, so I'm just going to use a fork. So just a little bit. Smash my it's not guacamole yet, so I smashed my avocados. I still have some chunks in there because I don't want it as smashed. So once you have that, you're gonna go ahead and start adding your ingredients. So we can go ahead and start with tomato. I really like adding more tomato because then it gives it that extra color. Once we have that, go ahead and add your onions. This one's optional. In case you like spicy guacamole, you can add it. If you don't want it, then you can just skip the fresh jalapenos. So we have some fresh jalapenos. I'm going to go ahead and give that a mix, and then I'm going to go ahead and add our cilantro. Now let's go ahead and add cilantro. I think I chopped up too much cilantro, so just go ahead and add a little bit first, probably like a handful. We're going to go ahead and put a little bit of cumin, just a little bit. Some salt. The salt's optional because if you are going to be eating it with chips, your chips already have salt. Then we'll do some black pepper. It's taking a while to come out, but we got some in there. Once you have that, then we are going to go ahead and get our lime and go ahead and squeeze a lime in there as well. And then just go ahead and give it a mix. At this point, your guacamole is now done, but make sure you give it a try to make sure it doesn't need any more salt or black pepper. I tried mine and it seems like it needs more lime, so I already have the other half here. I'm going to just go ahead and add more lime. And then just give it another mix, and you can go ahead and try it. If you guys are not planning on eating the guacamole super soon, I did save the things that you take out from the avocado. I'm not even sure what this is called. Is it the bone? I don't know. But I did save them. You can just add them in there if you're not planning on eating it. According to Mexican things, it does help it not get black. So I'm just going to leave them in there. And then you can just mix it. And you guys can enjoy. So this is already done. Now that our guacamole is all done, I already decorated for you guys. I put it in a plate with some chips. So let's go ahead and give this a try. So you can see the chunky, oh, it broke. You can see the tomatoes. It's very, very good. I hope you guys enjoy this easy and delicious guacamole. I'm pretty sure most people will like eating their guacamole with chips. If you guys are trying to eat healthier, or for those people that are in keto, since it's a big deal that everyone's doing right now, you can always eat your guacamole with chicharrones. So I do have some chicharrones popcorn here. I think my dog wants some, so Luna, you can't have any, I'm sorry. So you can always get a chicharron, and you can always eat it with guacamole as well. I honestly think it tastes better with chicharrones, so you can give it a try and see which one you like better. Guys, please do not double dip in your guacamole. Just get it once and that's it. Don't double dip it in. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we will be back with more videos pretty soon. And I hope on the next one my mom can be with us. I hope she feels better soon and she'll be back. Thank you guys. Bye.